Well, hello again. So what do we have today? We're about to show you right now. So please like, share, subscribe. We do need some real followers. There's a lot of bots that we had no idea. So even though we have all those followers, they're fake. We need real followers like you to join us. So today what we have is a panda. We're going to draw a panda like it's sleeping or lying, like a panda lying down. Okay, remember that. So a panda lying down with these three letters. Okay, that is a C, O, and U. That's your formula today. C, O, U. There you go. And with these letters, you could draw, we're going to put together a panda. So please like, share, subscribe, and check this out. So here we go. This is brought to you by the letter C, O, and U. So let's go. Let's start with this. That's a C, right? There you go. That's, yep. And an O. What comes next? U. That's right. And these are letters that we need to finish. So rest of it, look at that. See it? Then you add these little things to it to connect them all together. There you go. That's your blocks right there. So if you missed it, that's fine. We're gonna start again. So watch this. C, O, U. There you go. O, and connect them once again. Now, once you're done, this is what we're gonna do. That's right. We are now gonna take it. So essentially you have your panda right there. The panda is lying down, right? We know the panda has got some colors. We're gonna shade it. We're gonna take it further, right? Because you know how we are. So here we go, we're taking it further. The color, it's really tricky because we're using black and white and it's hard to differentiate because I'm gonna use your mind. I'm gonna need your mind to kind of fill in the gaps. I'm using one same color, but by the time I'm done, your mind will kind of fill in the gaps. It will determine, because you're familiar with what a panda is, you're gonna know that me adding certain spots with darker, lighter, you're gonna fill in the blanks and say, oh, this is how it's supposed to be. That's the actual illusion. There you go. And finally, there. Guys, if you like this, please like, share, subscribe, and we're definitely gonna bring you more. But watch this. You see how it's lying like that? Now, we could twist it around too for a different position. Like that. Like this. You see? There you go. Now, of course, you could actually, there's a formula to do it this way too. I just find it's easier to do that way. Then you could turn around and you could add some more detail to it. See, there's a little cuddle, a little thing, just squeezing itself together if you can find the panda. Oh goodness. So stay tuned for more. We're going to bring you more. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here we go.